The last type of selection we'll be looking at here is don't use the quick selection tool. I love the quick selection tool because at times it enables me to make selection faster, and it's default tool from the top of the tools panel. Now the tools panel, the quick selection tool works very logical. Okay, now it works with regards to color of a particular graphic or a particular document you're working on. Now I'm still working on my image from the last video, and here you discover that the background is purely green, and we want to select the background, and let's say we want to remove the background from the image. Okay, and we want to achieve that by using the quick selection tool. Now since we already know it's very sensitive to colors, now the first thing you're going to do is it has a tip like a brush, so you can increase the size and decrease the size from the tools option bar right here. And let's increase the size a little to 50. Okay, if you don't want to use the slider, you can just type 50 right here. It gives you the same thing. Okay, I think 50 is too small. Let's increase it to 100. Okay, 102. Yep. So now I want to start by making a selection. So now while I click and drag, what it does is it captures the color of the first point where I click, and as I drag, it tries to select only colors relating to color matching that particular area where I clicked at first. Now I'll do the same thing for here, and you discover that the only selected part is the green part. Now the image or the person has not been selected because the color of the skin or the color of the clothes doesn't match the color of the background. So the quick selection tool is a type of selection tool that works basically with colors. Okay, and you can train the quick selection to be more specific with its selections when you're working with complex images that has different colors. Okay, so the quick selection tool is a very nice tool in Photoshop that is used for quick selections and in respect to colors. Okay, so in our next video we'll be looking at something else. Until then,